As a YouTuber, how to get more views on your videos? Well, this is a question that everyone is trying to figure out. If you're a beginner, then with this video, you will know a few tips on how to produce a good story and make a good video. And if you follow through, you can greatly improve the quality of your videos. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. With the evolution of technology, it is very easy to upload videos these days. That's one of the reasons why YouTube, the platform, is flooded with so many videos. But the majority of them are shot on mobile phones, and creators then post them directly. This means, without going through any editing, the content would be very long, which can easily make the viewer bored. Without even going through the highlight, they will just stop your video. And the solution is to mark out the highlight part and then try to make the content more concise. Some YouTubers will cut out and put the best clips at the beginning so that the viewer can stay with the content and keep watching it. In VideoProc, you can drag and drop the footage into the video track. Then drag the playhead to find some highlight clips. Use shortcut M to mark these clips. And use Ctrl B to crop out the extra parts. As I said before, many beginners when making videos will just add a piece of background music to the original video and export it after adding the music without doing any sound design. Sound effects are a key part of the video. It can not only make the video sound rich, but also the sudden prompting sound can keep the audience attention. And in this regard, you guys could check out a YouTuber called Beluga, who is very good at sound design. When he first started doing YouTube videos, he gained 4 million fans within 3 months by using this video style. His videos are largely characterized by delivering fast message and a lot of sound effects to keep the audience in focus. Of course, the funny and humorous content is also an important feature in his channel. Thus, when editing our own videos, you can create a separate audio track as a soundtrack. And when there are stickers or tags showing on the screen, you can use some whoosh-like sounds as a sound effect. Many beginners like to add many transitions and effects when they start editing videos. They think it could make the video look more professional. But in fact, a good video does not require a lot of transitions and effects, since all of these edits only serve to tell the story better. And overusing special effects might distract the audience's attention. When you start making a video, you should locate your target audience. This will enable you to set the content and style of your video, and also how to attract and retain your audience. Once you know your target audience, you can start making videos that work for them. For example, if your audience is mostly young, your videos could be more fashion-forward and trendy. If your audience is primarily educators, then your video might lead to be more knowledge-based and practical. If your audience is primarily travel enthusiasts, then your video might lead to focus more on the introduction of sites and sharing of travel experience. In addition, knowing your target audience can also help you determine when to post your videos. For example, if your target audience is primarily students, then you can post more videos during the school holidays. If your target audience is mostly from abroad, Then you need to consider factors like time difference in the language, and choose the appropriate time and way of posting. Well, this is all for today's video, and if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!